Hello everybody, this is S.Shanmugavalli, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. Today in this video, we are going to see about how to display information on form and what are the format functions available in VB. Displaying information on a form. In VB, to display anything in the form, we use print statement. The general syntax for print statement is form name dot print followed by expression. To print anything in the form, we must first set the auto redraw property to true. If auto redraw property is false, we can't print anything in the form. To clear the form, we use the command CLS. Current X and current Y. Usually when anything is displayed on the form, it will be displayed towards the top of the form. If we want to display any content in a specific position, we can refer the X and Y coordinates using current X and current Y. Here we have an example for using this form name dot current X equal to value. Form name dot current Y equal to value. So we can display the value in a specific location which we have mentioned. Font properties. During design time, we used to set the font property for any object using the property window. Even in the coding, we can set the font property of any object which we have in the form. Here we have some examples for it. Object name dot font dot name equal to. Towards the right side of the assignment operator, we have the type of the font which we want to set to the object. Similarly, we can access all the properties of the font using the font object. Object name dot font dot size. So we can set the size of the font, bold, italic, strike through and underline through the coding. Tab function. The tab function is used to move to the specific location and then start printing from there. The syntax for tab function is print tab column number. So if the column number is greater than the current column position, then the tab will be skipping to the next line. If the column number is less than 1, then it moves to the first column. The printing will start from the first column. The next function is space function. So the space function is used to insert the space while printing. So the syntax for space function is space integer value. So here we mention how much space we need to print from the current position. Format function. Format function is used when we want to print the data in a desired format. Here we have the syntax for format function, format numerical expression, comma, format string. So the expression will be formatted in the format which we have given in the format string. Here we have some examples. In the first example, after the decimal point we have nearly 6 numbers, but since in the format it has given 2 as symbol, it is rounded off to 2 digits. In the second example, the format is we need 3 numbers to the left of the decimal and 3 numbers to the right of the decimal. So it is formatted to that specific format. In the next example, third example, we have left towards the left of the decimal we have 4 zeros and towards the right 3 0. Since in the expression we have only 3 numbers towards the left, zeros added in the front. In the next example, we have given a number and the format string is hash comma. So we have given separator, 1000 separator. So it is printed in the 1000 separator format. So likewise, we can have the expression in the desired format. When we are using format function, if we want to add any special symbols like minus, plus, $sign, etc., we must add it in the format string in the position where we want to insert that symbol. So here in this example, we have a format function. Within that we have a number 123.45. So the format string is, first we need dollar sign followed by 3 hash symbols dot 2 hash symbols. So in the output you can see that the dollar sign will be added to the position where we have mentioned in the format string. Predefined numeric formats. We have several predefined numeric formats which we can use for formatting. Some of the predefined numeric formats are general numbers, currency, fixed, standard, person, scientific, yes or no, true or false, on or off. So according to the situation, we can use these numeric formats. So if we need a number without a thousand separator, we use general numbers. If we need a thousand separator, we use standard. If we want in a currency format, we use currency. To a fixed format, we use fixed. If we need a number in a percentage form, we use percentage. So according to the our necessity, we can use these predefined numeric formats. We have several format function for date to display date and time. So some of the format functions for date and time are general date, long date, medium date, short date, long time, medium time and short time. So in general date you will get both the date and time. So in long date we will get the full date. Medium date we will get the date in the middle date format. In short date we will get the date in the short date format. Similarly, in long time, we will get a time with hours, minutes, seconds, etc. In medium, only hours and minutes along with the AM or PM will be displayed. In short time, that it displays time using 24-hour format. Here we have some example for a date and time format function. So here we have the first example, general date format, long date. So we are getting date in the long date, medium date. So we are getting date in the medium date format. Similarly, we have used the short date and long time format. After watching this video, I think you might have got a clear idea about how to display information on this form and what are the various format functions. Thank you for watching this video.